Hey everyone, welcome back to CloudSutra. Along with our daily job updates, today we are going to start a new series on essential DevOps and cloud concepts that is specially tailored for beginners, where we will be covering fundamental topics to provide a solid foundation of knowledge. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Today in this first video, let's dive into our first topic, that is what is DevOps. So as per Google definition, DevOps is essentially a combination of development and operation teams working together seamlessly to streamline the software delivery process. So to understand this better, let's use an analogy. Before DevOps, there is a traditional method of deploying software that involves developers write code and hand it over to the operation team. The operation team is responsible to manually provision servers and deploy the code onto the servers. If any issues or errors occur, the operation team would require communication back to the development team, where this leads to delays in releasing updates to users and making the process time consuming. However, after DevOps came into the picture, this approach underwent a significant transformation. It introduced tools like version control systems such as Git, allowing multiple teams to collaborate on a project simultaneously, where developers write code and push it to Git, while the operation team configures a continuous integration and continuous deployment pipeline to automate the process of building, testing, and deploying. So this automation significantly reduces the time to deploy application, minimize errors, and enhance efficiency. So I hope you now have a better understanding of what DevOps is all about. So in our next video, we will dive into the specifics of CI/CD. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you for watching. Thank you.